Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be doing something just a little different. So as you can see, I only have 98 Robux, so I might not be able to get everything that I land on. But I literally just watched an Ashley the Unicorn video, and what she did is she got her outfit with her eyes closed. So I think that's what we're going to do today. So I only have 98 Robux. I don't have much, and I can't buy more. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start off with shirts. And I'm just going to pick a random page. And then whatever I land on, well, if it's a guy's shirt, then no, I'm not going to land on it. But I'm not going to buy it. But I think this looks like a pretty good page. Okay, I'll do it. Wait, hold on. Let's just make sure there's... Okay, let's do it right up here. Ready? Looks like we're getting this one. Oh, that's a lot though. Y'all, I'm really sorry, but I'm not gonna get that because then I'll only have 27 Robux left, and I don't want to become broke from that. So, we'll find something cheap, trust me. I'll find a page with just lots of cheap stuff, so we don't have to worry about that. Here, let me just search cheap. I don't know. That is not cheap. Dang. Okay, so girls. Okay, honestly, what? Okay, whatever. We're just gonna go back again. Okay, we'll just get something off of this page. This stuff looks pretty cheap. Okay, ready? I'm gonna do this. Looks like we're getting rose crop top. That's actually pretty cute, honestly. Okay, so there's the shirt. Now we need to go get some pants. Okay. Oh, those are so cute. But I have to pick one. Is that what we're getting? Wait, hold on. No. That's just for outfit. Let's do off of this page right here. Wait, I'm trying to find more dark stuff because I don't, it's it doesn't go very well. Okay, so I'll just pick off right here. That will not go with it. Here, this is pretty close. That gives me 40. That's still pretty good. Okay, so I have that. Next, we need to go to close this. Close this. Whatever. Now let's go to faces. Let's do faces real fast. So, some faces are really expensive, which doesn't even make sense to me. But we are going to try to find something that is pretty cheap. Something I can buy with 40 bucks. Okay, I should have done faces first. Okay. I would get that, but I already have that, actually. Okay, this looks pretty good, right here. And, wait. That is so cute. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this. I know I didn't land on it, but it's cheap, for one. I know I didn't close my eyes, but still, let's go ahead and add these. Oh, I can't wear my pink hair anymore. Oh, yeah. I forgot. It's one of those. Okay, that's pretty cute, actually. I think we're going to stop right there, because that is really cute. Now we're going to play some games. Play a game, I mean. You know what? Let's play some Fashion Famous. I have, let's see, let's look at the, I have props. Ooh, I could get that. Emotes. But I have premium hair. I have pets. I have run fast. I have effects. I have VIP, and I have props. I don't think I'm going to get any more, but let's just play. And no, I do not have Builder's Club. I'm really sorry. I might get it soon, but knowing my dad, I probably won't. So I'm just saying. But anyway, if this can load, we can go ahead and play. Tomorrow, if I come back, I get. Okay, I'll just go. Okay, let's. Oh, I picked the wrong time to come in. Ooh, yeah, I don't know. We're playing Roblox High School. I have Enforcer's powers there, and it's pretty cool. I can, wait. Adopt me? I just got the hang glider, see? So, I haven't tried it out yet. I really want to try it out. I have VIP. I have that now. And I really need to try that out. Okay, I'm really sorry I keep switching. I'm horrible at making YouTube videos. But anyway, so let's just, if it can load, playing. I want to be a baby. I want to see if I can find a parrot. I'm not very good at finding parrots, but I think I can do it. Oh, I do love this outfit though. It's so cute. You know what? I'm not staying in that stinky nursery. I'm going out. I'm big. You know, yeah. Yeah, I'm big. I'm big. I can go. Okay. Role play. I know it's not. I know I don't have to call myself Ash, but I want to. Get away from me. Yay. Here, I want to be in a family. I don't have a family. Hey. No. Yes. I meant to, do. No. Yay. Daddy. She. Yeah. Hi. Why am I doing this? Hold on, Dad. I want to ride my thingy. Dad, hold on. I want to ride my hang glider. Here we go. Hey, Daddy, what's up? I can hang glide. See? I can hang glide. Whee! Nookie, yuck, woohoo! Whee! Wow! This is fun. I like flying. That was fun. This is fun. Here, you can be my family. Hey, you. Right you. Right you. 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 Hey. Hey, you. Come back here. I want you to be my brother. I want a brother. Give me a brother. Give me a brother. Give me a brother. I'm just gonna chase you. Yes. Flubber. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey, bro. Hey. Hey, bro. What's up? What's up? Sorry. Probably the most annoying sound in the world right there. I hope y'all liked this video. I know it was pretty stupid. I only had like 25 Robux left. Or else I would have gotten more. But I really hope you liked it. And I hope you go like and subscribe. Because I don't have... What is this thing? Oh, it's okay. So, I hope y'all like and subscribe. Y'all are my only hope. Not really, but... So, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!